There are two ways to turn off Find My iPhone. One directly from your iPhone, and the other remotely through iCloud.com. But before we dive into the steps, here's what you need to know. Turning off Find My means your iPhone can no longer be tracked. That might sound risky, but if you're selling your phone, trading it in, or sending it for repair, this step is absolutely required. Let's break down both methods and when to use each one. Method 1. Turning off Find My directly on your iPhone. If you have your iPhone in hand, this is the easiest way. Open Settings. Tap your Apple ID at the top. Select Find My. Tap Find My iPhone. Toggle Find My iPhone off. Enter your Apple ID password, then confirm. That's it. Your iPhone is now unlinked from iCloud. Perfect if you're passing it on or sending it for service. But wait, if you're selling it, there's one more step you'll need to take. I'll cover that right after the second method. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more iPhone fixes, and drop a comment if you need help. Method 2. Turning off Find My using iCloud.com. This method is for when you don't have access to your iPhone. Maybe it's lost, broken, or already in someone else's hands. But here's the catch. Your iPhone must be offline for this to work. If it's still connected to the internet, you won't be able to remove it right away. You have three options. Wait until it goes offline, power it off yourself if you still have access, or erase it first, then remove it once it's disconnected. Here's what to do. Go to iCloud.com and log in. Click Find iPhone, select your device. If your iPhone is offline, click Remove from Account. This completely disables Find My. But if it's still online, choose Erase iPhone first. Then, once it's offline, remove it from your account. Final step, don't forget to sign out of iCloud. If you're preparing your iPhone for someone else, go to Settings, tap your name at the top. Scroll down and tap Sign Out. This prevents activation lock issues for the next user.